Assalamu alaikum. 6:05 p.m. This is Bangladesh Betar Rajshahi, broadcasting on the evening of Wednesday, the 9th of Boishakh, the 3rd of Jilqad, and April the 22nd. The news read by Alamin Islam Imon. Long-distance bus services on the Rajshahi-Dhaka road, which were suddenly suspended yesterday due to an internal dispute among bus owners, have finally returned to normal. This has brought relief to passengers travelling to the capital. Passengers suffered greatly as bus services were stopped without prior notice. According to transport sources, the disruption was caused by a conflict between bus owners of Rajshahi and Natur districts. To resolve the situation, an emergency joint meeting was held today at Police Commissioner's office. Leaders of bus owners and workers association from both districts along with administration officials took part in the discussion. Following the meeting, the dispute was resolved and a decision was made to resume bus services. Officials said necessary steps will be taken to prevent such situations in the future in the interest of passenger service. Intern doctors at Rajshahi Medical College Hospital have withdrawn their work stoppage. They announced the decision at a press briefing held this morning in front of the emergency department. Earlier on Monday, an unwanted incident occurred at Ward Nong 36 of the hospital following the death of a patient. A case was filed by the hospital authorities alleging that relatives of the patients assaulted two doctors. Two accused have been arrested in this connection. The Intern Doctor Society had been observing the strike since yesterday morning, demanding a safe working environment and other issues. They withdrew their work stoppage after receiving assurance that their demand would be met. A woman has been killed in a head-on collision between a bus and auto rickshaw at the Oktormor area under Motihar police station in Rajshahi city. Two others, including the victim's husband, were injured in the accident, which occurred at around 11 a.m. today. The deceased was the wife of Muhammad Razzaq from Talishabashpur village under Durgapur Upazila in Rajshahi. Locals rescued the victims and took them to the emergency department of Rajshahi Medical College Hospital. Doctors on duty declared the women dead upon arrival. Rajshahi Metropolitan Police have arrested 24 people in separate drives on various charges. During operations in different parts of the city, police arrested 10 people with warrants, 3 in drug-related cases and 11 in other cases. Legal action has been taken against the arrested individuals. A road campaign has been conducted in Natur to encourage students' participation in Notun Kori sports program organized by the District Information Office. Students aged between 12 and 14 have been requested to complete registration by April 24th. The program will include 8 events: football, cricket and kabaddi as team events, badminton as both singles and doubles, and chess, athletics, swimming and martial arts as individuals. Registered participants will be selected at the Upazila level across 7 Upazilas on April 26 and 27. The district level competition will begin on May 2nd at Natur District Stadium with football matches. District Information Officer MD Abdul Awal said awareness campaign are ongoing regarding registration event detailed and scheduled. A police magistracy conference has been held in Pabna. The meeting took place at the conference room of Chief Judicial Magistrate Court today. It was chaired by Chief Judicial Magistrate Muhammad Jahangir Hossain with Senior District and Session Judge Muhammad Akhtaruzzaman present as the chief guest. Among others present were the Superintendent of Police, Additional District Magistrate, RAB Company Commander, Public Prosecutor and President of the Pabna Bar Association. Speakers emphasized that coordination between police and the judiciary is essential to ensure justice. They also stressed that cooperation and information sharing are vital to strengthen law and order and crime prevention efforts. 1,744 liters of illegally stored diesel have been seized at Belkochi Upazila in Sirajganj. A businessman has been sentenced to 3 days in jail by a mobile court in the connection. The drive was conducted today at Shernagar Bazar in the Upazila. Belkochi police station officer in charge Imam Zafar said acting on a tip-off, a raid was carried out at the shop of trader Robiul Islam. During the drive, 1,744 liters of illegally stored diesel were found in this shop. Later, Belkochi Upazila Nibahi officer Afrin Jahan conducted a mobile court and sentenced Robiul Islam to 3 days in jail. The seized diesel was sold to a dealer and money has been deposited in the government treasury. The second match of the three-match ODI series between the Bangladesh women's cricket team and Sri Lanka women's cricket team was held today at Shohid Kamaruzaman Stadium in Rajshahi. The match began this morning. After winning the toss, Bangladesh chose to bat first. They scored 165 runs, losing all wickets in 45 overs and 5 balls. Chasing a target of 166 runs, Sri Lanka made a confident start. The visitors secured victory with 166 runs for 6 wickets in 38 overs and 2 balls. Bangladesh had won the first match of the series. With this win, Sri Lanka has leveled the series 1 on the third and final match will now be crucial in deciding the series. Finally, weather. The highest temperature in Rajshahi was 40 degrees Celsius and the lowest temperature was 27.5 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity was 29% at 3 p.m. today. Sunset in Rajshahi and adjacent areas today will be at 6:30 p.m. And that's the end of the news. Our next bulletin will be at 7 p.m. in Bangla.